how to fix with you are a human on your Discord. So there are two ways how you can fix that problem. So the first one is disabling your VPN. So if you are using your VPN, make sure make sure to disable your VPN when using your Discord. Otherwise, Discord will see this as an usual problem or the activity. So the second problem or the second cause could be unusual activity itself. So if you are trying to join a lot of Discord server in a short amount of time, or if you are trying to join a lot of Discord server within a few minutes, then you will see this error message, right? Message. So after that, you can see that if you join the many of the server here. So let's go for this. I have joined this server, and if I now try to join this server right now, so if you try to join this server here, mini solver here, then you will be facing that problem. So with the help of this process, you will know about how you can fix with your human on your Discord. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.